Yup.
Oh, yeah, they loaded up.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alrighty, guys. It is Saturday morning. It is a little bit cloudy. Sun's not quite out yet, but we got a forerunner on the north end up here that was hauling his barbecue and I guess was turning around and got a little bit stuck. So we're gonna get him out of here. Get him to cooking. What's up, man? How's it going?
Hanging in there like swimwear.
Yes, sir. What was your name?
Johnny.
Johnny as well. Sweet.
Oh,
all right.
Good fella there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My daughter turned 1 today.
Hell yeah.
I just picked a bad spot to try and turn around.
Yeah.
I pull this thing out here all the time.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say I seen you out here.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All
How
right.
you doing, man?
Good. How are you? I'm Christian.
Nice to meet you, Johnny.
So I'm thinking, you want to try and have me pull you forward, cause that's in the way a little bit. Or we okay? You got hooks up front?
I think so. Forerunner, sure.
Yeah, that's true. Normally at least one.
I think we have one.
Yeah, I got one on each side. We're good. So I'll get a bridle to it, get a rope on it, and we'll just pop you out of the hole, and then you should be able. I'll stick around, make sure you get readjusted, and get out of here. All right, try and turn that wheel towards me. It won't free it. It'll free up more once you're starting to give it some gas. Yeah, so just start giving it a little bit of gas, try and keep some tension towards me, and it should pop up, and we'll just bring you up where you're on top, and we'll go from there.
Sound good. That was fun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I follow Santo.
That's awesome. Thank you.
We love it. Stuff's all wet from the rain.
Right at the rail.
Yep.
I was coming out with the same bridge. Hang out.
Help him get the trailer on.
He's got a backup cam.
Oh yeah, you got a camera. There you go.
That's like perfect.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, I back up to this thing all the time, man.
I was gonna say, I forget these got backup cameras. None of my trucks got them.
Let me get you the picture of it.
Y'all enjoy your day. I'll make sure you get parked.
Okay, about 1:30 or so, y'all come back, man. Get some chicken, man.
I bet. You ain't gotta tell me twice.
Damn right.
We'll swing by.
All right,
All right, we'll make sure you get parked. You just gonna park like normal?
yeah, I'm gonna pull down yonder where my daughter at.
All right, sounds good. Be careful now.
All right, thank you.
Yep. There you go. Oh, Jesus. There you go, guys. We got the dude in the forerunner out, and now he can barbecue for his daughter's first birthday. And we will probably be back later for chicken. See ya. What's up, Edo?
What's up?
Oh, you got it on there. I can smell it already. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Y'all go, man.
Oh,
Make sure
yeah.
you share that with your cameraman now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they loaded up.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No pressure. Appreciate y'all, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
We appreciate you.
And I'm gonna be looking for that video on YouTube too.
Oh, it'll be up soon.
And Facebook, all that shit. I follow y'all on Facebook. Oh, my boy got one. He got one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, I guess I better get out of the road.
It's for a good cause.
Thank you so much, man.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good one.
We're gonna catch you next time.
All right.
All right, y'all. Happy Mother's Day. We are on our way north to grab an F450 work truck. So I'm not exactly sure what it's going to be, but I'm bringing the Tundra just in case. So come on along for the adventure. Hello, my friend. All right. You will be fine in just a few. That's a heavy dog, boy.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So the first thing that I'm going to do, let's take a walk around and look at this. How you doing, man?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you. It's four-wheel drive, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, this is a beautiful dog, but she's way too heavy for out here.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what I think I'll do. I think I'm gonna pull you down that way. So I'm gonna get hooked up, put a winch on you, and see if I can get my smaller winch. How much do you weigh?
12.
12? All right, we're right at max with my small winch. I might have to turn around and put my big winch on you. He's at 12,000. Let's try the Badlands and see if it can do it. If not, we'll turn around and put the Sherpa on her.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let me get all hooked up and we'll get you going. All right, let's see what we're gonna do.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know why there's a water pump. There's some sort of pump in the back of the truck.
Oh, wow.
Where does that go to?
That's a great one.
All right, I think these are closed hooks.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're closed. Nope, I'm good.
We got it.
Thank you, though.
Yes.
So the idea is I'm gonna have you in drive. I'm gonna have you trying to turn the wheel a little bit. We're gonna try and come down this way, but that angle will help us pull you out a little bit. So if I can get us moving, I'll be in drive and I'll move forward. I think when we drop you down to about there, you should be able to move. And then the only way we're gonna get you out of here is to get you strong up and running, or me pulling you. We'll have to figure out which it's gonna be. I'm gonna pull forward 20 or 30 feet right up in there. I'll lock my winch in and I'll give you a thumbs up as we're going. I have the loudspeaker, but Christian's here too. He can tell you what we're doing.
Okay.
And I don't know if you are familiar with it, but we do have a little bit of a media presence. So we do YouTube and stuff. If you want to go online with us, we appreciate it. Awesome. Here we go.
Seven to mine again, boys.
Two very boring minutes later.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can get him to go and follow us down. We're gonna take him up at speed. You got everyone together? The family? Oh, okay, cool. Thank you, sir. Let me get set up, and then most important for you is, are you in high or low? For high or low? High. Keep it in high. I like high. And especially with that beast, you got all the power you need. But then don't stop for anything. I'll be in front of you with lights on and my siren, my mic on. So the only thing that's gonna kill us is if you lose momentum. All right. So stay at my tracks, stay at my speed. All right. All right. We're getting ready to bring them on down.
Oh, yeah. And then here comes Colin and Marin.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
You missed it.
That's the fun part.
That front end looks good.
Thank you. That
Oh, yeah.
looks good.
Yeah.
Y'all just pulled that out?
Yeah, we just got that one.
Oh my God.
It's a big guy.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, it is.
Much love.
See ya.
All right, hop in.
All right.
A few moments later.
All right, well, I'm gonna have to go probably down to where they are. Although you're not stuck now. I wonder if I can pop you.
Yeah.
And drag you. I bet I can just pop you out with a kinetic rope. Oh, but I'm on a hill right there. If I hit him and he doesn't go, I'm gonna sink. All right, I have a winch on the back. If I get stuck, we can winch myself back up and do it again. I'm gonna put a kinetic rope on you and see if I can bounce you and go. Make sure we're strapped in and stuff. All right. That seemed a little too simple.
Oh yeah.
And as soon as that Jeep pulled out in front of me, I knew we were cooked. So hopefully we don't have to do a whole lot of work on this Tundra. He'll be able to pull with us, and we'll try and keep her nice and gentle. This is when the 360 comes in handy, because I don't want you to have to stay out here. But, you know, I want you to be able to get in the truck with me. Once we get this thing moving, I'm not going to want to stop. All right. We'll give this a shot first. So, timing's real important. So, when it finally bumps, you need to be in the gas already, but not a lot, you know. If I bump and you're not in the gas, I'm just going to whoop straight down. So, I bump, it brings you forward a little bit. Stay steady. It'll slow me down, then I should be able to pick back up. We should be able to keep going from there, okay? If we get stuck, I'll unhook and redo it, but let's go. All right, here we go. I'm going nice and easy on her, Johnny. Hear how gentle I am? Purring like a kitten.
Oh yeah.
Gotta go. He's going behind me at a good, nice pace.
We're almost there.
Woohoo! Heck yeah, man.
Oh yeah.
She's doing good, man. I got no overheating. I got no clicking. Tundra. This is what the Tundra's for, man. Pulling a 45 or a 450 through at least a mile of super, super soft sand.
Oh yeah.
That's what the Tundra do. I could do this in a Tacoma, but she'd be a little tired. Yeah, we could do it in Big Red. I don't want to hear about it. We love our Big Red. Little Red. I said Big Red, I meant Little Red. Yeah, Little Red could do it. I hear you. But the Tundra is built for this.
Yo.
Keep trying to decide whether I want to go out or I want to stay in the track, and I think with this guy, the track is the best.
Yeah.
Coming through with a truck in tow. 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 Ugh. How was that?
Right.
That was a ride, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right at the end, I thought I heard something click, but I guess not.
Oh, I think it was tension coming off the pencil.
Oh, yeah, but you're right. It's just like letting go. Beautiful, man. So, you know, I just want to find out, was he having fun? Was she having a good time? That's the best part. That you were having a great time. That's the best part. All right, man. Yeah, man. Glad we could get you. Be blessed. Look at that, man.
Oh,
You're getting ready to come past us on the hard stuff.
Oh yeah.
Be blessed. See, she was doing a little heart.
Yep.
Be blessed, guys.
Like and subscribe to Santo. They're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.